5 shortcuts to improve your PT scores instantly. Let me show you the 5 tricks or hacks which can help you to improve your PT scores, guys, quickly. There are a lot of students who struggle in their PT preparation, but in this tutorial I'm gonna talk about 5 tricks which will help you to boost up your marks. But save this video and make sure that you watch it till the very end, because I'm gonna give you free mock test at the end of the video. Hello everyone, Vishal from Vision Language Experts. Let's talk about secret number 1, predictions. A lot of students need to understand that PT repeats their questions again and again. And what we do as an Australian institute, we gather those questions and put it into a prediction file every single month for you guys, which has a high repetition chance. Some questions come from the prediction file only, like dictations. So if you want to start your PT preparation and you do not know which questions to practice, go to Vision Language Experts and log in over there. After login, you will get the access to the prediction questions. Practice over there and make sure that you finish all the weekly predictions before sitting for your exam. Now, it's very important to finish the predictions, but did you know 12-word strategy or one-line strategy still works? Yes, in December 2024, one-line strategy is still working, and in 2025, it will still be working. Now, this is very important that you have to understand how to use this strategy. So, once you have understood this, you will be able to get full marks for the speaking, full marks for the reading. Let me quickly show you the demonstration how to use 12-word strategy. We understand the importance of supporting and restoring biodiversity, and we are. First 12 words, that's it. Let's check the scores. So as you can see, I've got perfect scores in fluency and pronunciation. Content I've got little less because biodiversity and we, I made a little pronunciation error because of microphone. I'm not using any microphone. Perfect marks, not only for the speaking, but also for the reading. Now, this is really gonna help you to boost your marks in reading section. Now, I don't know if you knew, guys, Read Aloud gives you 32 marks for reading module. That means you can easily score 32 out of 32. Now, if you're still in doubt whether this is working, look at this score, 90 out of 90. Look at this score, 90 out of 90. All these students used one-line strategy in their exam. Okay, so you can also use it. When they will stop one-line strategy, I will be the first one to tell you guys that do not use it. So until then, you can use it without any worry. And did you know that a lot of students are not able to use the templates properly after the changes? Yes, they're still using the old templates, or they're informed that templates do not work anymore. Guys, please make sure that when you are preparing for PTE, don't rely on anything you see on the internet. Look for the results, look for the reviews. Okay, so it is very important that you trust what is actually the facts. Now, if you see our Google page, you can see that we're getting the reviews, successful reviews every single day from our students who are getting their desired bands. So what does that shows? That shows that our students are using proven techniques and templates. Now, templates play a very significant role in PTE. So what you have to do is you have to make sure that you use templates properly, but the updated ones, such as for describe image and detail lecture, you can find the templates over here. And you will be able to use them properly and get perfect scores. So make sure that when you're using the templates, use the most recent ones, and make sure that when you are practicing, use them again and again so that you are good at it. In the real exam, you do not face any difficulties. Which tasks have templates? Describe image, read a lecture, summarize written text, essay, and summarize spoken text. Use the templates for these 5 tasks and you will get perfect scores, but use the most updated ones. Now, after you have completed these template-based tasks, the next thing you need to keep in mind is high weightage tasks. There are few tasks which are more scoring than the others. This is a very important tip. Secret you need to understand and keep it in your mind. The very first important task is read aloud. Read aloud gives you 32 marks towards reading. So it's a very important, highly scoring task. followed by repeat sentences. Repeat sentences obviously give marks to speaking, but about 30% marks again goes to listening from this task. So very scoring task. Then comes your essay, which gives you 15 marks for writing. After that, reading and writing fill in the blanks. Not only gives you marks towards your reading module, but also towards your writing module. On average, you will get somewhere around 20 to 25 marks from this task alone, not only towards reading, but also towards writing module. Then comes your reading fill in the blanks. It contributes somewhere around 15 marks approximately towards your reading module. And then your reorder paragraphs, which contribute somewhere around 8 to 10 marks. Now these three tasks are scoring for reading module. Okay, other tasks you can ignore from the reading module. Now let's talk about the listening module. For listening module, the most important task is write from dictation. It contributes somewhere around 30 to 40 marks, yes, for listening, and somewhere around 40 to 50 marks for writing module. So I would say this is the most important task of your PTE. So make sure that you practice this task properly and every single day. Then obviously we have listening fill in the blanks and highlighting correct words. Both of these tasks contribute somewhere around 10 to 15 marks on average, and then followed by summarize spoken text from listening module, which contributes 10 marks towards listening and towards writing module. I have already discussed 4 important hacks. Let me discuss the most important hack for your PT preparation, which can help you to boost up your scores instantly. Mock tests. Yes. Lot of times students don't even give one mock before their final exam. That's why they are always confused which areas they are lacking. So I'm going to give you one completely free AI scored mock test with the updated scoring. Yes, it's completely free. Go to visionlanguageexperts.com.au, sign up over there for free if you have not signed up. Go to the mock test tab. Over there you will find one free mock test. Now this will give you the analysis as well, where you are actually lacking, which areas you have got less score, and obviously you can see the remarks as well when you click on any of the questions. This will really help you to understand your weak points. Now this mock test will not be available for a long time, so go now and sit for a mock test. Now share this video to your friends also, so that they can also get one free mock test. And yes, if you're facing difficulties in any of the areas, any of the tasks, you can put it in the comments section. I personally reply to all the comments. So if you have anything in your mind, you can put it now. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. It's really gonna motivate me to make such more valuable content for you guys. Thank you guys. Vishal is signing off from VLE. And yes, if you have not checked my Instagram channel, you can check it over here, where I post daily videos to help you guys to boost up your scores. Thank you guys. See you next time.